It's a story of unused taxpayer money, police helping people in crisis, and don't fall asleep, an audit over what went wrong.
Well, yeah, I think it could have been used. It should have been used.
Timothy O'Brien, Denver's auditor, says the police department didn't spend about $400,000 it was supposed to use for its co-responder program. That's the program where a mental health professional accompanies a police officer to calls involving someone in crisis.
I think the need is certainly out there in the community for this kind of a program.
In fairness, the department did use a lot of the grant money.
They spent $1.8 million.
The $400,000 is left over, the department says, because it was earmarked to hire staff, and it couldn't hire staff when the pandemic hit.
I mean, we had the pandemic start up. There was a lot of turnover in their department, and I understand that. They still had a responsibility under the grant to comply with those kinds of requirements.
O'Brien also found some of the money was inappropriately spent on administrative costs, and the city fell months behind on paying its bills to the mental health providers.
There was a lot of late payments in there.
DPD says it changed oversight of its finance department, and it doesn't appreciate the auditor ignoring how well the co-responder program works. O'Brien says DPD took 24 of his 25 recommendations designed to prevent leftover money next time.
I think the department's response was healthy. They're taking it seriously, and I appreciate that.
You might wonder what happened to the $400K. It was originally taxpayer money that went to the Caring for Denver Foundation. The foundation granted that money to DPD, which has now returned the $400K. And here's the kicker, Kyle. There's a good chance Caring for Denver ends up giving that money right back to DPD.
In an envelope marked "Please use" this time. I mean, but I imagine if that's where they feel like the money could be best spent, then it's their call again.
Exactly, and it's in a grant just for keeping people out of jails, trying to avoid people with mental health issues going to jail, so it could go to other organizations like Denver Health as well.
All right, Cole Sullivan, thank you very much.